be on screen like this? Sit down, Timmy. Okay, fine.
Oh my god.
Hi guys, I'm back here with Timmy today. Today's actually Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving everyone. I'm here with yet another unboxing video. Not a true one, but my husband did surprise me with a gift from Tiffany, so I wanted to share it with you guys. Alright, here we go. Timmy, ready? Here we go. As you can see, I kind of already opened it, so the bow is not perfect, but let's take a look. So they come, Tiffany's comes in this black velvet jewelry box. And ready guys? Here we go. Oops. Here it is. It's none other than the Elsa Peretti Diamond by the Yard. So if you guys saw my top 5 necklaces video, you might wonder, oh, don't you already have an Elsa Peretti Diamond by the Yard necklace? Actually, I do. So I have the silver version with a 0.03 diamond, carat diamond, I mean. And that was also a gift from my husband a few years ago, I think, for my birthday. And I love that piece, but lately, or like the past year or two, I realized that gold tone jewelry fits my skin tone better, so I tend to gravitate to gold now. So I really, wanted to get the yellow gold version of this. So I did mention it to my husband, and he actually surprised me and got it for me. And not only that, but the diamond is bigger this time around. I believe this is a 0.17 carat. And I'm sorry that I don't have the other one, right next to this to show you a comparison. I actually gave it away to a good friend, but this is substantially larger. And when I first opened the box, I was a little shocked how big the diamond was and how sparkly it is. Even the smaller one too, it just catches the light so well. And that's what I love about this. But I'm so happy with this. This is definitely going to be staying with me forever. But again, this is 18 karat yellow gold with a single 0.17 carat. It does have many different size diamonds, so you can basically get whatever you choose. Smallest from 0.03 all the way up to, I think the biggest I saw online was 0.25. Although I heard that if you go in store, you can even get ones like some in between sizes as well, if they have it at the store. So definitely go check it out if you were debating on what size to get. So here it is on. Again, I think it's just perfect. It's so simple, understated, and definitely good for an everyday piece. There's also it's pretty much identical, I would think, from Cartier, from the Diamantis line, I think is what it's called. Just an FYI, the price point for Cartier is way more than Tiffany's, so I personally recommend the Tiffany's version from Cartier if you guys were ever debating. But anyway, here it is. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys next time.